We all know the importance of a good start. Begin as you intend to proceed. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and you never get a second chance to make a first impression. But ending strong is just as important when it comes to a successful creative project, and Workamajig wants to help. Our Platinum paper, Closing Out the Creative Project the Right Way, gives you all the information that you need to manage objectives, expectations, and client satisfaction. Click the link for a free download of this and other Workamajig Platinum papers, because we know how agencies work.